Morning guys, Mel here out of the AOK Healing Centre, Emerald Bank. Just a reminder, on Sunday the 9th of February at 11:30 we have Bianca coming in to do a couple of classes. So they're free wellness classes. So the first one, Healthy Habits, learn how to take control of the daily habits that will help you reach your wellbeing goals. So they are fantastic classes to come along to. I've been to a few of Bianca's classes, very informative. She knows what she's talking about in regards to oils and how you should be using them safely and that sort of thing. The second class at 1:30 is Back to School Essentials. So that's a great one for the kids. Teaches you how to, use oils, keep the kids healthy, so you're not spending a fortune at the doctors, through winter time and stuff. So that's a good class also. If you would like to come to either of those classes, give us a call at the centre on 0358231544, okay, to hold your seat. And we look forward to seeing you out here on Sunday. If anyone's after any salt tomorrow, I've got a couple of spots available, so give me a call and we can book you an appointment. Alright guys, hope you're all having a wonderful day and hope to see you out here soon. Take care.